Want to wow your guests, whether it's a dinner party with close friends or here. I'm catering for over 100 guests at my son's bar mitzvah. So yeah, I wanted the wow feature. We'd ordered freshly handmade breads and I wanted some fancy, very pretty, delicious herby butters to go with. I wanted to save as much money as possible, but without compromising on quality and taste. Softened slightly, I bought some fresh greens such as dill, coriander, and some parsley. You can add salt if you like for taste, or you can add garlic, whatever you like. That is the best thing about making your own. You can do exactly what you want. The best way to keep the butters is to wrap them in a baking sheet. Also, the baking sheets are a great tool to not have your hands touching the butter too much and melting and get overly greasy. So I'm shaping the butters in a long log. I like this. It's a very practical shape for slicing later. But you can use butter molds or stamps, whatever. Once the butter is firm and feeling comfortable in its new log shape, now is the time to add some bright, happy colors by pressing on some edible, pretty flowers. Just free flow. No need to think too much about it. In between the spaces, I added some chopped greens, roll the log again between the papers to really press into the butter, the herbs and flowers so they don't fall off. Other flavor options can be paprika, chili flakes to add a little spice and lovely tinted red or orange butter logs. I like to slice a few discs when serving next to the fresh breads or crackers. Lemon zest and chopped greens make a deliciously refreshing and springtime butter log. Important note, remember to label the buttered logs because you never remember which flavor is which. Store in the freezer until day of a bar mitzvah or event. Imagination is all you need here. Great quality butter, fresh ingredients, small details like these can really elevate experience as well as a spectacular feast for both the eyes and appetite. If you like this recipe and would like to hear what else I make at the bar mitzvah, then please subscribe and like. See you next time. Happy cooking.